Bermuda Triangle of Birds. You must be shocked on the topic name, that is Bermuda Triangle of Birds. But it is real and a village title. In the Assam Sima district, a beautiful and mesmerizing village named Jatinga gets this title due to a very strange phenomena that has been observed since early 90s, which is mass bird suicide. Is strange now? The mystery behind mass bird suicide attracted scientists, ornithologists and even locals, but no one can unlock this mystery. Jatinga is a Jaimi Naga word that means pathway of rain and water. This village is surrounded by majestic boreal mountains. It is a beautiful village and home to just 25,000 people. In this village during September to November, village is wrapped in thick fog and mist. Both local and migratory birds start behaving in most unusual way. They started flying erratically in the dark skies. Some of them crash into trees, buildings and other objects. As if force by some invisible force or evil curse. It happens specifically along a narrow 1.5 kilometer stretch of the village ridge. The mysterious mass suicide mostly happens on moonless night when natural light absent. Hence, the birds attract toward artificial light in the village, which force them to collide with buildings, trees and other objects. In 90s, Naga people were the earliest witness of this event. They convinced that some evil play behind it and they quickly abandoned the village. In 1905, the Jaintia tribe found this abandoned village and made it their home. They also witnessed this mysterious event, but rather considering it as curse, they assumed it as a way to survive in this difficult terrain. Jaintia tribe considered it as a source of food. If divine intervention and evil curse put aside, some scientists believe that intense topography of the village, which include dense fog, strong winds, heavy rainfall during monsoon, makes the birds disoriented, leading them to fly towards light in the village, and they crash into buildings and poles, which is seen as mass bird suicide. But it is actually